Gorgeous, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Tootie. You already know, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining, and welcome to the Gorgeous Gang. So as you can see, for today's look, we got some pink and yellow going on, a little bit of glitter liner, so kind of like some strawberry lemonade vibe or something like that. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, you already know, pick up a brush and keep on watching. Alright, hey y'all. So first things first, I am going to go ahead and prime my lids. And what I am priming my lids with is the Cut Crease Canvas. I believe the shade is Medium or Create, and I mixed that with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC45, and I'm just patting that over until my base is smooth and blended well. Right, so we are ready to get some color on our lid. So of course I am going in with the Matte book by the Crayon Case, and I am taking those two pink shades. Y'all, this look is very simple. So as you can see, I am taking that dark pink first. I'm tapping that in my crease just to build up a good consistency. Once I had gotten enough on my crease, I do blend out the edges a bit with that same brush. And once I have blended the edges out again, just to make sure that everything looks good, I do go in with that light pink shade, and I am taking a tapered blending brush, and this is by Ruby Kisses. And of course, just to make sure everything is blended in well, I do go in between brushes just to make sure the eyeshadow is to my liking. Okay, so to go ahead and do our glitter liner, I did take these three glitters. This is by Flutter Row Cosmetics, I believe. And I did my eyeliner off camera because I was like very close, so it was kind of pointless. But I am taking my Duo Lash Adhesive and putting that on top of the liner, and then I am going in with a small eyeliner brush from Beige Cosmetics, and I am going to basically, as you can see, tap that on top of my liner. And again, I did mix all three of those glitters together so I can get a mixture of all the colors. So to go ahead and finish off half of the eye look, I am prepping my lashes with just some mascara from e.l.f. and just putting that on before I apply my falsies. My falsies, they are from Pryme Luxe. I can't remember the name of it. I think it's Queen or something like that, but of course it will be in the description box below. So, ooh, girl, them lashes is bomb. But yeah, I'm just applying my lashes, and then we will go ahead and go on to the next step. Alright, so as you can see, I did do my foundation off camera simply because I do have a foundation routine, and I will be sure to leave that video in the description box below. But what I'm doing now, I am taking that yellow shade again from the Matte book by the Crayon Case, and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm just pretty much tapping that on my lower lash line. Once I finished doing that, I realized I wanted my eyes to be open a bit more, so I did go in with a NYX pencil. I cannot remember the name. I wonder something, but it's like a kind of like a little flesh tone eye pencil. And again, I did just apply that on my waterline to open up my eyes a bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and dust off my setting powder. I did use the Crayon Case Chalk Dust setting powder in the letter A. So of course I am taking my Holy Grail. This is my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Deep Dark or Dark Deep, one of those, y'all. And of course I am taking my Urban Studio powder brush to blend everything in. You cute girl. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and highlight. So I am going in with my Hard Candy Baked Bronzer. And I believe this is in the shade Tropics. And I'm using a Miss A, kind of like a big fluffy brush to apply that. So of course down the bridge of the nose and the highest point of my cheekbones and my Cupid's bow. So as you can see, I'm taking that yellow shade that I used on my lower lash line, and I'm taking a Morphe brush and putting that on my inner tear duct. And just to add a little glitter on my tear ducts as well, I'm going in with the Too Faced Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow and Honey Please. So moving on to the lips, guys, I'm going in with a brown lip liner pencil. I really think this is an eyebrow pencil, but same difference. Anyways, just lining my lips before I apply my actual lip color. And this is the Hall Pass collection from the Crayon Case, and I am going in with Clean Kisses and applying that on top. And then I do go back in with the lip liner just to make sure that it is blended in together, just to kind of tone down the lip color. And y'all, that is it. That is all. Of course, whenever we do finish our skin, we want to set it with some setting spray. And I am going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. We're going to spray that everywhere, and we are finito. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I love y'all so much, gorgeous gang, and I will see y'all in the next video. Okay, so this is our completed look. I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all like it. Do y'all like it? Do y'all love it or what? But thank you guys so much for watching. Also, before I end the video, I want to thank each and every last one of you guys who entered the giveaway. And I want to thank you guys again for sharing your inspirations with me. Some of those inspirations were very touching. Y'all, this is one of many giveaways, so just make sure y'all continue to tune in so y'all can know. And also a special congrats to our giveaway winner, KT Tyson. But yeah, that's pretty much it. On the side note or end note, I just want to let everyone know, if you have a dream that you are trying to pursue, a dream that you're actually trying to get up and going, go for it. Like, you're gonna run into many obstacles, you know, trying to make your way to the top, but you're in control of your own life. Keep going. Don't let nobody tell you different. You got this. So, you know, again, thank y'all so much, and I will see everyone in the next video. We don't need to take it on a getaway. We don't need to take it. We don't need to take it on a